Siya na yun.
Hindi ko mabigay ng tubig dyan.
Bakit umalis sa isip mo? Bawal laging laman itong puso ko. Ang lamig. Ikaw pa rin ang kumantok.
Hindi ka kaya. Hindi yun.
Ikaw pa rin ang natatawa. Ay, wala. Sa'yo. Yes. Kasama ko. So, hello guys. We're gonna try to sampay my uniform. Plancha! Tinuruan na ako ni Mama. Tignan natin kung kaya ko. Dahil no choice ako. Hello everyone! Wow! We're gonna plancha our uniform. Tinuruan na ako ni Mama kung paano. Ito yung pinlansya ni Mama. And now we're gonna try it on our own. Sabi niya, loob daw muna. Okay, how do you do this? Ay, Diyos ko. Diyos ko, day. Okay. Bakit daw yung loob? Kasi kapag sa labas yung inuna, pag sa labas yung inuna, may tendency na lumobo, right? Ha? Yeah. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but we're just gonna go with the flow. Because we need to be independent, guys. Dahil sa mga susunod na araw, ako na lang ang andito. Today is July 17. And I just got home dahil galing ako sa Nazareth. Dahil nagpasa ako ng Form 137 ko and then gumala ako with friends. And it's currently 8:06 in the evening. I'm just preparing my uniform advance para wala nang iisipin sa pasukan. All settled. But still, I still have no school supplies because I'm waiting na mag-announce yung prof namin kung ano ang mga bibilin para hindi masayang. Right? Right. Sorry, yung tal-tal ko ngayon ah. By the way guys, pina-alter ko pala siya. Ito, pina-alter ko tong uniform ko cause it's too wide for my waistline. Waistline. Liit ng bewang mo, girl. Okay. You can do this. You can do this. Ano ba to? Oh my gosh. Took the midnight train going anywhere. Sabi mo, will you marry me? Will you marry me? Nabili. Kaya mo to. Video mo. Oh! Panis. Kaya mo yun? Kaya mo to. Zero na. Good morning, everyone. So today is the first day of classes, and right now it's super duper rainy in Manila. But of course, we have to show up. And now I will just iron my clothes since change of pants. Yung uniform ko, as you can see, guys, na-iron ko na siya. But then I decided not to wear uniform agad on the first day of school because for sure, hindi pa magsisipag suotan ng uniform yung mga yan. And yeah, I will just iron my pants because it's lukot sa may bandang front area. And yeah, just keep on watching. So, I'm thinking if I should curl my hair or not na. Sige na nga. Curl na natin. Guys, I'm so proud of my final look. So guys, ito, hindi alam kung paano mag-picture. Okay, so this one, guys, this is from Hati Diary. And this one, may tiketa pa kasi ito. What's this? I don't know kung, basta. This pants is from Achi's Closet. And also, I got my nails done kagabi. And DIY lang ta, guys, so don't judge, okay? And I just put on my makeup and then I curled my hair because it's too boring. I want to be extra trim. It's currently 5:31 a.m. Marami pa akong oras para magmuni-muni and mag-relax. Ayoko kasing tipo na mamadaliin ko yung sarili ko na gumalaw. Kaya, I made sure na ready na lahat. And then, yung gamit ko pala, naka-ready na siya, guys. Yeah. This is it. First day of school. My heels pala is from Comfort Plus. Hindi ko pa natatanggal kasi it's all new. Later, pagbaba ko, tatanggalin ko yan. Okay, so thoughts and opinions tungkol sa first day of school. First of all, I'm so I'm so thankful kasi I get to huwag na ako mag-English para okay. First of all, I'm so grateful kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao nabibigyan ng privilege na magkaroon ng buhay na ganito. Yes, it's still a simple life, but still it is something that needs to be thankful for. And at first, for the past eto na, ninenervous na siya. So, for the past few weeks, nararamdaman ko tong sudden feeling na nakakakaba, and there's a doubt in myself na kaya ko ba, kasi sa Bulacan like princess treatment talaga, like ganun. And unlike dito na kailangan ko mag-commute, I need to prepare everything for myself, kaya need talaga na maging independent. But despite all of that, I always pray na sana makayanan ko, and sana samahan ako ni Lord throughout this journey of mine. And etong vlog na to, this will present as a documentary of my life, and katulad nga sa caption, it is senior high school diary. So please bear with me kung meron mang mga technical difficulties. So I think we're ready, and I'm hoping and praying na maging successful tong school year na to for all of us. And sana maging safe tayo and ma-achieve natin lahat ng achievements na desire ng puso natin. And that's all. And magpapalipas na lang ako ng oras. Maybe I'll do some TikToks. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Second floor tayo.
Tapos mali pala yung floor natin, no?
First regret this school year. Naka-vlog ka mo na rin.
Oh, hi vlog.
Iwan niya ako eh. Sabi ko ni, kulang tayo sa phone. Init. Nagkita na. Ito pala sa Nazareth. May lalabas. May teacher. Uy, ba't ako pala? Ano tayo?
Okay. Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys. Sigawan talaga. Hi, mommy. Hi, mom.
Yung may-ari kami pinagbablog. Ay, dito pala. Yung may-ari kami pinagbablog. Hello! Pagod na ako. Pwede sabihin mo sa founder ng Enyo, tigil na to. Naantok na talaga ako dito. Tignan nyo. CR na naman ako. Pwede ba yun? Mag-grade tayo. Tignan nyo yung oras. 11:05 na. Sam. Vlogger yan eh. Dapat makita ko mukha ako sa vlog mo pa pinipigilan ko magmura. Samo! Ano samo? Samo!
Masok kami doon, nandito lang.
Great hope and love. But the greatest of this is love.
What's this? Shiniyang.
For with God, nothing shall be impossible. Luke 1:3.
Yes!
Hanap kita hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama kang muli sa buhay ko puno.
Oh, nahiya ka.
Boss.
Nainggit ako sa polo ni Bryden. Gandong po.
Ganda nga nito sa kala ko sticker lang.
Nakatahi talaga. No?
Hindi kasi
Kala mo nag-snatch lang eh. No?
sana.
Sanay sa arte. Sakit na nasikmura ako. Hello everyone. So, kakauwi ko lang galing school. And sobrang nakakapagod siya kahit na half day lang siya. Kasi hindi, yes, nakakapagod sa school. Pero mas nakakapagod yung commute. Oh my God. Tapos, sabayan pa ng sobrang lakas na ulan. Kaya, ang hirap-hirap sumakay. And then, ewan ko, hindi ko ma-explain yung pagod ko today. Kahit na nakaupo lang kami buong magdamag. But, still nakakapagod siya. And right now, I think I will take a nap. Kasi, I feel like, sobrang nakakapagod talaga, Pero overall, masaya naman. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog. Kasi wala namang masyadong ganap. But I think I will be vlogging tomorrow. Kasi the orientation will also proceed the next day. Kasi hindi pa namin namimit yung iba naming teachers. And yeah, hindi rin namin masyadong napuntahan yung ibang booths. And for sure, meron pa nun tomorrow. Hopefully meron pa. And excuse my face, guys, kasi tinanggal ko na yung makeup ko kasi pakiramdam ko covered na siya ng alikabok and natanggalan pala ako ng isang kuko. Galing talaga. And yeah, bye guys. I will be napping real hard. Damian grr. Bye. Okay, just woke up guys, and I don't know if you can hear me, but it's currently 5:24 p.m. and when I woke up, it's raining so hard, and nakita ko sa news na walang pasok tomorrow, thankfully. Thank you, Mayor Isko. Iba na ang mayor ko, guys. And thank you, kasi hindi ako makikipagsapalaran sa ulan tomorrow. Yes. And sana maging maayos yung panahon para ma-proceed na natin tong freshman meet natin. Yeah. I'll just go downstairs and do my thing. Pagkagising ko, sama ng pakiramdam ko, I feel like lalagnatin ako, and I hope hindi siya magtuloy-tuloy kasi ang hirap magkasakit. I don't wanna be sick kasi unang week pa lang, baka na susuko ka na ba? Yeah, bye guys. Okay guys, good morning. So today is the second day, and nawibintang ako kasi kung kailan gumising ako ng maaga, kung kailan na nag-ayos ako ng maaga. Ayun na, naka-makeup na ako, diba? I'm ready na mag-online class. Tapos bigla sinabi ng teacher namin, synchronous class is cancelled. So today, I will just eat my breakfast and maybe watch and then sleep. Oh my God.